Hi guys, welcome back to another FTC Incremental 5773 crash course video. Today we're going to talk about how can you get involved into the program of FIRST. So here we will first start off with our first mission. FIRST is really more than robots. Robots are just a vehicle for students to learn important life skills. And kids often come in not knowing what to expect of the program nor of themselves. They leave even after the first season with a vision, with confidence, and with a sense that they can create their own future. Biden came in, and we'll be exploring what this quote really means in the upcoming slides. So first, we'll start about how to create a FIRST team. Here, you simply go to www.firstinspires.org and sign up for one of the programs, and make sure you have enough people to make a successful team, and we will be covering what's the count and more details about that. So for all those younger students out there, for all those passionate, interested younger students who are just waiting to start their own robotics team, you have two options. You have your first LEGO League Junior, first LEGO League. We'll first go into first LEGO League Junior. Here, this grades kindergarten to fourth. Young kids are able to explore real-world scientific challenges, develop teamwork skills, and work with motorized LEGO parts. It's really, as the name suggests, first LEGO League Junior. It's using LEGO motorized LEGO parts. Here on the other side, we have first LEGO League. Just changes really in different grade levels and complexity of used materials. So first we'll talk about this grades 4 to 8. Students are here to develop solution to just scientific problems, right? Teamwork skills, same stuff, except here now we're evolving from LEGO motorized parts to LEGO Mindstorms, and there's a complete autonomous missions on a playing field against other teams, right? Automating the robot now. Code has become a major part here, you guys can see. This is just a picture of first LEGO League Junior tournament. You guys can see there's the LEGO robot in the background, some labels, and this is the first LEGO League tournament for grade 4 to 8. LEGO Mindstorms, right? You guys are seeing on this field over here. And now for all those older students, you have two options. FTC First Tech Challenge. That is exactly what our team is in. Whenever I say FTC, I refer to First Tech Challenge. Then you have First Robotics Competition, FRC. First start with FTC, grades 7 to 12. It's a wider scope, I suppose, than FRC. And here you challenge design, build problem robots to compete in a head-to-head match in an alliance format. And here you're developing STEM skills, practicing engineering principles, developing team skills, communication skills. First robotics competition, no, not less than any other way. It's really just grades 9 to 12, right? There's no 7 to 12 unlike FTC. It's really just more for high schoolers, and team students are challenged to raise funds, hone teamwork skills, and build and program an industrial-sized robot to play a difficult field game against other competitors. A great challenge. So really, that's for that. And you guys can see an FTC tournament. This is basically your field, and here you guys can see these robots are just taking the blocks and stacking them. Over here, we have our FRC tournament. Robot size should suggest exactly with this ball game, right? So you guys can see the robots are much bigger than FTC robots. This is actually a quote from Jordan Berklin, a FIRST alumnus. Here he said, "Through FIRST, I was able to discover my passion for robotics and gain some amazing life opportunities that have led me to the path that I am on now." And as a personal insight from engineering and coding classes that we ran through participating in this FIRST, we were able to make a significant contribution to our community in this pandemic by donating over $1,500 to the Alameda County Food Bank, and we were able to make it on the news actually, where we actually donated $5,000. And if you would be interested in donating and advancing our cause, please consider donating at donateincanmeadow.com. Even a small $5 donation could help us make a tangible, immense amount of contribution and give to our community much more. You'd like to be involved with us in future outreach events or are interested in starting an FTC team, you can fill out the following form, https:/tinyurl.com/inkinterest. And thank you all for this watching this video. Hope you guys watch the next one. See you then. Thank you.